If you work in a contact center, you know why a lot of companies use IVR systems, self-service systems as we like to call them. But if you're the general public, you might have the wrong impression. You may think it's because companies don't want to talk to you. And from judging from some applications out there that are so bad, I can understand that. There are some bad voice response systems out there who really don't represent the companies well. We try our best not to write those kinds of applications. But there is a financial reason why companies do this. We have customers who just cannot hire enough people to answer the phone. Banks, for instance, we have an international bank as a customer who 85% of the calls are handled by our software. They never talk to a person. These are people who are calling to check their bank balance or to transfer money. And yes, a lot of this is moving to the web and to mobile devices, but actually calls in on the telephone have increased as the web has grown. So it's not going away anytime soon. Now, the money aspect of this, the TCO, why are we doing this? Well, our customers have their own numbers, but imagine how much it costs for a person to be sitting at a desk in a contact center, whether it's in the U.S. or even India. There's overhead. There's the cost of the center. There's the cost of the PBX and the phone and the chairs and the managers who manage the agents and the reporting, and all this adds up. So a call of a 2-minute duration might cost $10. Right? It could cost more. There are studies that show if you load in all the costs, telecom and everything, it could cost a lot more. Handling that call with an automated system might cost 5 cents. So huge difference in handling it with an automated system versus a person. Now, again, some companies go way too far and they start trying to automate everything. And even though our business is to help companies automate and get more efficient, we think there's a line you've got to draw. You still have to give great customer service. There's a study that shows if you let a person know they can get out of an automated system, they're more likely to stay in it. I guess it's like the finger trap thing. The harder you pull, the more you want to get out. Well, we want to build applications that people can use and really not even think about the technology. So huge cost benefits, but do it appropriately so that you don't have a hidden cost of damaging your brand and damaging your customer service. And we help with all of that at Gold Systems.